Ready ba siya? You are on live. Yes. Hello. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. So all over the world. I'm here again. Then, by the way, I'm here in my page is Maricel Sugiyama. Then, if you are new in my page, please comment down below where you from. And by the way, I'm here. So I have a guest for today, my mentor and also our mother of our Krishna family. Well, before that, siya na po magbahalang mag-introduce sa inyo kung sino po siya. Ne? Well, please welcome. Hello, Coach. Good morning.
Hello, sis.
Thank you
How are
po
you?
talaga.
You're
Thank you po
welcome.
sa pag for our guest for today. I know
You're
you are a
welcome.
busy person. so,
It's my
sorry,
pleasure.
Avengers lang po ito. Ha.
Instant.
Yes. Coach, gusto ko lang pong na i-introduce niyo po muna yourself sa ating viewers.
Sure. Okay. So again, sis, salamat sa pagdala mo sa akin sa iyong page. It's my pleasure to inspire your friends, followers. Congratulations for being successful in the business and so proud of you, a busy mom of 5, right?
Yes, right.
A busy mom of 5, my God, na maliliit. So, I'm just so proud of you kasi I'm talking so many dreamers before ako introduce ng aking sarili. Ah, I'm just so proud of you. And kasi maraming dreamers ang gustong magsimula ng business pero hindi sila nagsimula. It's because sabi busy, walang oras, ganon. But here we go. You as a living proof na being busy, not having time is not a reason para hindi tayo maging successful. It must be a reason. Kasi ayaw mo maging busy forever na walang pagbabago ang buhay. So congratulations for that. And for congratulations also for being a role model to your children na life is not about working for someone else, working as an employee lifetime. So there is great in life that is by building your own business no matter how busy you are. Anyway, congratulations for that. I'm so proud of you as your mentor and coach. And okay, let me introduce myself. Lynette po ito, pareho po kaming Bisaya. Galing po ako ng Davao. Tubong Davao, and yeah, back then I was busy person too, a breadwinner, a dreamer, but paghihirap ng buhay was not a reason for me na hindi maging successful. I was a scholarship grantee and working student back then para makatapos ng college, para makapag-college. Even high school, I was working. And since a breadwinner, I mean, pag-graduate ng college, I was working sa 3 colleges, walang pahinga. Ganun pa man, mahirap ang buhay. So, I decided na mag-Japan. I took the chance of the government, Japan and Philippine government economic partnership agreement bilang caregiver dito sa Japan. So, around 14 years ago, pumunta ng Japan and kahit sobrang takot ako maging caregiver kasi hindi ko talaga ma-imagine how hard would it be and seeing the salary na maliit lang talaga na hindi ka alam ko talaga na hindi masosolve yung aking life. So I was imagining na akala ko i-increase hanggat sa lalaki talaga. Unfortunately, hindi. So that's why 4 years ago nagsimula ako nitong business after when I was 35 years old, and then at 35 years old nakapagretiro bilang employee. So 31 months na po ako dito full time at 37 years old natapos ko yung dream house para sa aking parents na yung pinili talaga ng mother ko na ito yung gusto ko, ganito, dito talaga. So yon. So nangyari siya dahil sa business na to. And yeah, so that's Lynette.
Happy. So proud naman. So, grabe si coach kasi is super super inspiring talaga from the start until now. Grabe, super napakaano na talaga ng journey niya. Super na talaga yung super successful niya. So, napaka-inspiring po talaga niya. At saka, ang kinagandahan lang doon is super talaga siya, motivated talaga siya in person na iano ka talaga to paano ka i-motivate sa sarili mo na kaya mo, as in, kaya mo gawin talaga all time kahit man hirap gawin or kahit man super struggle ka sa buhay mo, as in, inaano ka talaga, as in, ini-inspire ka talaga niya, as in. Ganun po talaga siya. Super grabe. By the way po, my name po pala is Maricel Sugiyama, the owner of this page. And I have a 5 children. Super busy mom po talaga, as in. Super busy. Grabe, as in, siyempre, mother ka, di ba? As in, hindi lang naman isang children ang inaalagaan ko, 5 po talaga, as in, napaka-grabe. Grabe po yung time ko talaga, as in, ganun po talaga, dito ko talaga na sa business na to, kung paano mo yung i-manage yung scheduling mo. Dito ko talaga nahuhubog yung sa sarili ko na hindi lang pala as in uikot yung mundo mo as in a worker. Kailangan mo talaga lumabas sa pagka-worker mo na may tendency na magkaroon ka ng extra income. Hindi lang po yun to support your family. Kasi as in, kung buong buhay mo as in a worker lang, as in, kulang po talaga, as in. Kasi nga, imagine, hindi lang po talaga isa yung child ko. 5 po talaga as in, yung financially, hindi po talaga enough. As in, hindi po enough. Kulang na kulang po. Kasi nga, as in, dito po kasi tayo sa Japan eh. As in, sa Japan, lahat po is,
Expensive.
yes,
Mahal.
expensive po talaga. Start yuchen, sa school, lahat po, as in lahat. Super expensive po talaga siya lahat. Kaya, napakaganda po is meron kang extra. Hindi ka lang po mag-handle sa mo, every full-time job mo. Need mo magkaroon ng extra income. Yun po talaga ang pinakaano ko dito na na-meet ko at nakita ko yung ads ni coach na may mentor na ito po talaga yung sagot ng prayer ko kung paano ako magkaroon ng extra income na maka-survive kami. Hindi lang kasi as in, yung sa full time mo, as in, pagdating ng end of month, as in, wala na. Puro lahat. Imagine kung sino pong nasa abroad ngayon, all OFW, imagine lahat po na ipon natin is puro receipt lang po. Yun po ang true. Hindi po tayo nakaipon ng pera, as in. Lahat resibo. As in, yun po talaga ang true life sa OFW. Yun po. At saka, coach, gusto ko lang po is, kung gusto ko lang po sa inyo yung mga viewers natin, coach, na ano po talaga ang digital business. Na
Okay.
paano po talaga nila kung na bakit ang digital business is maka-change of life ng
Okay.
tao, na lalo na yung workaholic ka na as in kulang talaga na gusto talagang magpagod na sa trabaho, gusto na mag-retire, na as in hindi na, as in parang naluloka na sa kakaisip kung saan kukuha ng pera na panggastos, or yung lalo na sa atin Pilipino tayo, 'di ba? Need nating magpapadala talaga sa family natin sa Pilipinas. Yun po, coach, gusto ko lang pong na i-share nyo po sa amin para
Okay.
maliwanagan po sila.
Okay. So, we keep on seeing on social media, other Facebook, YouTube, at marami pa. na nagbi-business nito, digital or online business. So, anong ginagawa namin? Simple, ang first kong sabihin, what is digital? Ang digital ang susi talaga sa kahirapan, hindi ang pagjajapan, hindi ang pag-abroad. I saw this 4 years ago at 34. And then, when you imagine, nilagay ko lahat ng effort ko at least 1 hour a day and I became successful after a year. So, nakapag-retiro ako at 35. So, maybe you can imagine how doable it is, how sustainable it is. So, it is a very, digital business is a very simple business. Ibig sabihin, anybody, kahit sino ka man, anong status mo sa buhay, anong ginagawa mo sa buhay, may pera ka man o wala, basta gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, kaya mong gawin ito. But of course, don't get me wrong. You have to invest in here. Invest in time, effort, pera, lahat-lahat. But hindi siya ganun kalaki ng inaakala nyo. Hindi siya ganun kahirap ng inaakala nyo. Kasi when we don't do the thing, when we don't do a research, if we don't ask, sobrang hirap sa tingin natin. Kasi hindi natin nakita. Hindi natin alam. Pero it's not hard as that. It's not expensive as that. It is a very doable, ibig sabihin very affordable. Na you will cry after a year how this business changed your life as I did. So, ang business na to is simply an attraction marketing or promoting of the digital marketing system. The marketing system that can make a business running 24/7. 24 oras sa takbo ang business mo if you use the system. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng passive income. Kasi kahit tulog ka, kahit busy ka sa work mo full time, kahit nagta-travel ka, gaya ko, I'm sometimes going home, sometimes I'm going to nagta-travel, but the business running 24/7, 24 oras, kahit busy ako kasi may system gumagawa para sa akin. So, very simple. And then may lifetime training kami na video-based na madaling sundan kahit hindi ka magaling sa computer at English. And it is a global, international market business na very doable kaya hindi mo kailangan mag-invite ng family and friends. Walang hard selling dito. Hindi ka kakatok ng doors ng family and friends mo. It's not a requirement. And we are not recruiting people. We are not inviting people. We are just doing an attraction marketing, showing this amazing system to people who are looking for a business na hindi lang alam kung ano ang mga legit business, kung paano at ano ang pwedeng simulan na legit na may forever. May forever sa business if you do the work. Of course, when you say legit business, you have to do the legit work. But of course, when you exert the legit effort on that business of yours will give you a legit result that can make you retire from being being an employee after a year as early as that. Right? So it's sometimes too good to be true. I understand. I was on your shoes before. It's too good to be true, but it's true. I am the living proof of that. So, yun lang.
Yes. True. So, honestly, yun po talaga as in, napaka-ano po talaga ng business na to is as in, napaka-doable. Kung kahit saan ka talaga, kahit nasa work ka or kahit kunting oras or nasa break time, yung like, yung mga QQ or yung break time mo, so pwede mo magawa yung business kasi through cellphone naman siya through cellphone na as in magawa mo talaga siya kahit 15 minutes o 30 minutes, nasa iyo po yun. Basta willing ka po talagang mabago yung life mo. Yun po talaga ang kinagandahan sa business na to. At saka, kahit in travel ka or kahit kung saan ka man pupunta, bit mo tong business na to. Hindi katulad nung pag once na nasa business ka, nasa ano ka lang, is yung nandyan ka lang talaga sa store mo. So, hindi mo talaga mabibit-bit yung business mo. So, close po siya. So, paano pag mag-travel ka? So, wala na magagawa yung business mo kasi naka-close siya. Ang kagandahan talaga dito sa digital business is kahit saan ka pupunta, mag-swimming ka man, pumunta ka man ng mountain, basta may internet at wifi, go, magagawa mo yung business. Yun ang kinagandahan sa business na to, as in, yun talaga ang sobrang at kinagandahan din dito is may community po kami na yun ang nakakahubog sa amin na super inspiring lahat ng doon na hindi lang pala to college graduate, hindi lang pala to professional doctor, nurse, navy, or lawyer, hindi lang pala to para dito sa kanila. Pwede din pala to kahit hindi ka nakatapos og elementary, hindi ka graduate ng college, basta posidido kang ma-change yung buhay mo at saka maano yung future ng mga anak mo. Yun, as in napakaano po talaga na business. Super as in naka-change po talaga sa lahat. Tapos yung example, ano, parang wala akong time sa ganito, ganyan. Dito mo maano kasi meron kaming training site na ihuhubog ka talaga kung paano ka nga nawala, example, nawala ka sa destination mo. 'Di ba pag minsan kahit man tayo magda-drive tayo, nawala na ano ako na nalulos ako, babalik ka talaga kung saan ka pupunta. So dito din po sa business na 'to, pag nalulos ka, binabalik ka po talaga niya kasi meron po kaming weekly mastermind. Yun po ang pinakamaganda dun sa business na 'to. As in, binabalik ka at saka hinahata ka talaga kung paano ka maano yung life mo na gusto yung pinakapangarap mo talaga maabot mo. Hindi lang yun, pangarap ko lang pala yun. Hindi lang as in drawing, hindi po. Kung gusto mo talagang abutin yun, decidido ka mag-hard work talaga. As in, gawin mo yung business mo. Ne? Gawin po talaga.
Yes.
As in, yun po talaga ang pinakamaganda dito. As in, ang haba na po ng Coach, gusto ko lang po. As in,
Naka-on fire kasi eh. Naka-on fire ka, sis. Just go, just go.
ano, Coach, gusto ko lang po i-introduce yung mga nag sa atin.
Opo.
So, mga, hello po, Kuya Ricky Ramenes Leones. Wow, congrats sis and good morning, Coach. Yun po is, and also po, Sis Annalie Balignot, she's from Philippines po. Hello po, partners. Thank you for watching. And also, Bioli Pinaka Sasaki.
Okay.
Good morning po, both of you. Thank you po so much. Thank you. And also, Tagumpay with Ana Marie. Thank you po, Ana Marie. Good morning, Coach Lynette and Sis Maricel. Good morning. And also po, Jocelyn and Celebrale. Hello po, good morning for watching for more. Wow! Kahit nag-work siya, di ba? Yun po talaga as in, kahit nag-work ka, pwede ka dito sa business na to. Basta may time ka, kahit 5 minutes, pwede na po yun. Good morning, Mary Jane Robles Kuyama. Good morning, winners watching from Philippines. Wow! Enjoy po! Nasa Pinas po siya. Tingnan mo siya, nagta-travel din po siya.
Nice.
Nice, everyone. And Coach, lastly, po, para hindi na po, parang humaba na po yata yung gusto ko lang po niyo po, Coach, kung para yung sino magwa-watch po ng replay or sino pang gustong mag-watch ng live na to na ano pong i-advise niyo po sa maraming tao na yung mga taong na gusto talaga magkaroon ng extra income. And yun.
Sa lahat ng tao gusto magkaroon ng extra income, do the extra work. Na in a smart way. Ano yan? Instead na mag-overtime tayo sa pagiging employee, kahit mag-overtime ka dyan paggabi, magkano lang. Hindi siya lifetime. Every single effort that you are putting, pag business mo yan, eventually that will grow a year from now. But if you are an employee and you are doing the overtime every day, that company will never be yours, right? Hindi yan magiging future mo. Future yan ni bossing. So, ano bang relasyon mo sa boss mo? Sana all may forever. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, kung ayaw mo magiging forever best friend si boss mo, kung ayaw mo gustong, forever na mag-contribute ka sa kanyang ano, sa kanyang pagyaman, if you can do the contribution, use that contribution of yours sa iyong future. Huwag nating kalimutan maglingon sa ating future. Tingnan nating futures. Kahit konting pagtingin sa ating future, ne?
Ganun. With ano yan ha, Myra Papi.
May kanta pa yan. Huwag nating kalimutan ng kunting pagtingin ng ating future. So, 4 years ago, 'di ba? Ayaw ko na. Okay si boss kasi close kami. Okay, well, okay ang relasyon namin. I love my job, but I don't love my lifestyle. That's why I started on the side. Dreamers, you can start building your dream life on the side by just giving an hour of your time while giving 8 to 16 hours or 24 hours of your time every day on the full time, it's okay. But at least in your heart, you have 1 hour here for your future. Kunting pagtingin yun. Kunting pagtingin lang. Balang araw, a year from now, pwede kang makaahon sa pagiging worker mo dito para kay bossing. Ne? Sa kunting pagtingin na yan, kada araw, isang taon after, you can be a full-time entrepreneur. And then continue enjoying life and have a mission by helping people and have more time for yourself. Oh my God. Do you have time for onsen? Do you have time for salon? Nah. And then have time for your family. If you're abroad, then push yourself to at least go home, a vacation sa Pilipinas at least once a year. Kunting pagtingin lang, kunting pagtingin para sa pamilya. A family is not about relationships. A family is not about money. It's not about providing their foods, providing the shelter, but it's about spending quality time with them. So, kunting pagtingin para doon. So, yun lang. If you're a dreamer, pagod ka nang magtrabaho para sa ibang tao, don't make it as your lifetime. Don't make it as your forever. If you consider forever, doon na sa future mo, own a business, start your own business, and enjoy life. You are made by God to enjoy your life and have a mission, have a purposeful life. So, yun lang po. And sa lahat ng mga interested, visit nyo lang ang website ni Sis Maricel, tatong w.my or mysugiyama.com. And ma-access nyo ang free webinar. And then, kung gusto nyong makausap siya, you can access also automatically sa kanyang private Facebook. Yun lang. Never give up on your dreams. Kapit palagi po. Kahit konting pagtingin sa iyong future. So, yun lang po.
Thank you po, Coach. Ang ganda ng advice. As in, thank you po talaga, Coach. Alam ko super busy ka. Thank you po sa time ngayon na anon mo kami is nag-guest ka dito sa page ko. Super as in honestly. Thank you po talaga as in. And guys, sa gusto pong kung gusto pong malaman lahat ng details na about sa digital business na to, nandun na po sa sinabi ni Coach. Then, watch nyo lang po yung webinar. Visit lang po kayo sa website ko is www.mysugiyama.com para po maano nyo yung namin. And webinar. Every Friday, today po, we have a webinar po. Then, twice a week po yan is every Wednesday and Friday. Yun po, guys, gising po kayo kung gusto niyo po talaga wag po tayong sa full time natin. Kailangan po talaga natin ng extra income. Aminin niyo po sa sarili niyo yan. Thank you po, everyone. God bless. Bye. Thank you po, Coach. Thank you po again.
Bye, everyone. Bye, please. God bless.